harvester workshop is mainly responsible for 4 rows and below and up to the corn harvester and the wheat harvester about 8 kilogram. You can see the line in the here is the put-on chassis. We put the chassis on through this. And you can see these are the tires. We have a machine that is especially for put on online the tires. This machine we imported from Germany. And you can see the chassis of the harvesters. With this process, with about 10 seconds to the process of whole completed. And from this, we can see a machine, the number of 1 and 2. This is a 美全 testing chassis, testing process. It was designed by our workers Wang Meiquan, and we used his name to make this segment. There's some oil fill into the chassis. We have to put the oil in the chassis, but we can't see through the appearance. And Wang Meiquan, he had designed this. You can see the number turn into 0. The number turn into 0. It means it has finished. It has joined the oil. And when the 2 numbers to change to 0, it will be completed. Okay, let's go on. And from here, you can see some store carriage can put onto the chassis. And you may also see some sub-assembly line. Through that line away is the sub-assembly line. Here is the peeling machine lifting, and also the rear support fuel tank assembly. And shown here is the elevator assembly line. And shown here is the assembly of adhesive puree. And from the board upload at the board is our quality culture board. You can see the quality is a company's whole life. If we want to improve our quality, we must improve our quality. So every brand, every class in this factory have a quality board, and it determines that the quality. And shown here, you can see the cab is hosting. The cab is hosting, and the whole machine nearly completed. And And this side is our assembly of discharged opening, green loading, uploading driving service. Because of the speed of this product line is automatic, so maybe the lower was low, so here we have no harvesters. And shown here, it should be the assembly of the left and the right hood. And also the stamps should be signed on. And for this area, it's also a test area. This test area is mainly for the light, for the turning radius, and for some kind of testing. And after that is the end of our product line. It will be offline. And before it come to the market, it will through a series of testing. Okay, you can see that one is a full harvester without. This tractor is preparing for testing. And you can see this line is our sub-assembly line in this line. Okay, that's the end of the harvester factory. Let's to move our visiting. The rice harvester factory was built in March 2009. The workshop has 210 employees. It is mainly responsible for the assembly and the transmission of the rice harvesters. You can see the tractor, the harvester here. Now it has the complete assembly capacity of 135 tons of rice harvester models. In here, we may find some headers. And the daily production capacity of this workshop is over 80 sets. And the annual output of rice harvesters is more than 15,000. The rice harvester manufacturing workshop is mainly engaged in RG, RD, and RA series and other platform service and other platform harvester sets. And you can see that's a finished rice harvester's head. You can see there are one assembly line, 6 packaging line, such as the bread assembly and the general packing line. It's over there. Yeah, you may find the sub-assembly line over there. This is mainly for the mainly whole product line. And you can also find in our right side there are 13 teams in this whole manufacturing workshop, and the workshop has 206 processes. There are 156 production line, which including assembly line and the packaging line. Okay, let's keep moving. And you can see the The product line here is a sub-assembly line. And on this machine is manual control. Oops. Okay, now you can find the track in here. All the rice harvesters was made from track, not from the wheel, because the rice harvester usually used in the wide field, paddy field, yes. So it needs the track for more operations. You can see the assembly line in here is flexible because of every position, every workshop we have this product line. You may notice that when we keep moving forward, the components are less because of they are adding more components on this harvesters. Yes. And on our right side is the assembly line. On the left side, you may find the left side is also the sub-assembly line, but it's not automatically. Okay, just move forward. We'll go back on this line, and we may have a deeply introduction of every module. You can see the car before us is a car to transform some of the components. We use this car for transmission and for every components we need in this factory. So have you understand? On the right side, yeah, from now it's left side, it's the assembly line, and the right side is all the sub-assembly line. And over this product line, we also have some assembly line in there. You may find that our harvesters usually to choose white and red. That means to harvest more. Yes. In Lovol portfolio planning, we only have 3 colors. The harvesters, all the harvesters from rice harvester or the corn harvester or wheat harvester, all choose white and red. And for tractors, Lovol tractors with Europad, we usually choose blue. And for Abel's tractor, we usually choose green. So this is 3 main colors in Lovol tractor portfolio planning. Okay, you may see a finished rice harvester in there. That's the offline with testing. they are testing for the light, for the turning radius turning, and for the noise reduction. After this process, they will come to the testing car area. After that, they will put onto the market. Let's see it's working. It's for testing, it's 360-degree works. And also have LEDs. That's when doing this process is for unloading the grains. Okay.